When you think of the ostrich, the world's largest bird, you probably imagine long legs, powerful strides, and fluffy feathers. But have you ever heard what an ostrich really sounds like? Today, we'll explore the different sounds made by the common ostrich and what each of them means. The boom, the male's call. The most famous sound is the boom, a deep, resonant call made by males during mating season to attract females and mark territory. The hiss, warning signal. When threatened, ostriches give a sharp hiss. It's a warning. Stay away! The chirp, young ostriches. Even baby ostriches make gentle chirps to call their parents or stay in the group. The gurgle, social communication. Another fascinating sound is the gurgle, a low, bubbling, continuous noise. It's often used for social communication, keeping contact with the group or signaling calm presence. Sometimes males mix it with their boom during displays. Beyond their voice, ostriches are incredible animals. They can run up to 45 miles per hour, making them the fastest running birds on Earth. Their eyes are larger than any other land animal, even bigger than an elephant's. And though they can't fly, they've perfectly adapted to life on the open African savanna. Now, to end our journey, let's hear one of the most powerful and haunting sounds of the wild. Here's the full, deep booming call of a male ostrich, echoing across the plains.